Hi students, Miss Goss here. This week we are celebrating Earth Day. And it is a very special day. Every day is Earth Day if you really think about it. We live on planet Earth and it is our job to take care of our home here. We share this world and today we're going to share and celebrate this beautiful planet with a dance. So go ahead and follow along. We're going to dance it out and then I'm going to break down all of the movements for you. It's a beautiful song full of a beautiful message of how we can protect our land, our waters, and the air. So let's celebrate Earth Day. Let's do a little dancing. Let's get started. All right, students, so you might notice as we go through learning this dance step by step that there are some parts that repeat, which makes it super easy to learn. So go ahead and stretch those muscles out and get yourself ready to learn some dance moves. To Earth, we're in it together. All right, students, so let's get started with the very beginning part of the dance. We're gonna do either snaps or claps, one to either side, down, and then one to either side, up. And then back down again. Nice, and then let's try it with claps to the side, side, and up, up, side, side. Great, that's the first part of our first 8 count. So after we go side, side, up, up, side, side, we're gonna put our hands on our hips, jump our feet together, and then we're going to jump our feet open into second position and toss our hands down to the side. And when we toss our hands down to the side, we say Earth. And we have our hands stretched in jazz hands with our fingers open wide. Good, and that's our first 8 count. Let's do it with the counts. So remember, instead of ready, set, go, and dance, we say 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're gonna say 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice job. Then we're going to repeat that again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right on with the words. Ready, and do. Earth. Earth. Great. Then we're going to bring our hands in like this, and we say, we're in it together. So we bring our hands together like we're holding our own hand. Good. So we're in it together. Then we're going to make a circle with our hands still held. Forever and ever. Good. And then we toss our hands down again, saving our water, land, hands on shoulders, and air, hands up to the sky. Then we bring our hands together and we're going to draw a circle with our hands while we say, this is our planet. We're drawing a circle globe-like of our planet Earth and bringing our hands together like this, like we're offering something to someone, because we say, this is our planet to share, like we're sharing with someone else. And that is the first part of the dance. So after we go Earth, we're in it together, forever and ever, saving our water, land, and air. This is our planet to share. Wonderful. All right, next part, we bring our hands like this. We say, so your hands are kind of pulled back up. Good. We need clean air around us all. And we step our feet together. Land to walk on. And waterfalls. Nice. So we end with share. We need clean air around us all, land to walk on, and waterfalls. Nice. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Another 8 count. Nice. All right. After we come down here for waterfalls, we leave our hands right here on our legs. And we say, the world is changing day by day. And we can kind of just do a little nod. The world is changing day by day. And then we bring our hand to our ear, and our other hand could go on our hip. We say, listen to what we say. Good. So it's, we need clean air around us all, land to walk on, and waterfalls. But the world is changing day by day. Listen to what we say. Good. And then our hand comes up with a number 1, because we're going to say 1 by 1. And then take your other hand flat like we did before. We can spread the news. Okay, so we go from here and listen to what we say to 1 by 1. We can spread the news. Nice. Of how to stop. And you put your hand like this, like you're saying stop. Good. Of how to stop pollution blues. Okay? That means we're going to stop pollution by taking one little step at a time. So 1 by 1, we can spread the news of how to stop pollution blues. Good. And then we say, together we're reaching, and we bring our hands here. Together we're reaching out to you. to help us save the earth. Again, we draw that circle. Good. So it's we need clean air around us all, land to walk on, and waterfalls. But the world is changing day by day. Listen to what we say. One by one, we can spread the news of how to stop pollution blues. Together, we're reaching out to you to help us save the earth. Wonderful! And then guess what we're going to do? We're going to repeat that very first part we learned, which is the chorus. And we toss our hands out. We say, Earth! Good! Earth! We're in it together, forever and ever. Saving our water, land, and air. This is our planet to share. Yes, 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 yes. Nicely done. And then we bring our hand up to our mind like this while we say the word imagine. We're using our imaginations. It says, imagine our world. We do this move again with our hands back and spread out like this. Imagine our world clean and litter-free. That means that there's no garbage left on the ground or random things left on the ground. Things are either put into a receptacle like a trash can, or if it's recyclable, it can go into the recycling. So we are imagining a world that is clean and litter-free. And then we say from the ocean, and we're going to do our fingers like this, twinkling, because this is the ocean sparkling from the ocean, and we bring it up, and then we toss them up and say, to the sky, and look up to the sky. Good. So again, that part is, imagine our world clean and litter-free. From the, we're going to dig down from the ocean to the sky. Good. And then we sway. We do a step touch like we've done before. And we just do a light energy sway while we say, join our hands, share the vision we can see. Let's begin by taking pride. And we take our two thumbs and point to ourselves. By taking pride. And then it repeats that same part. By taking pride. And you toss your hands up once more. Good. So again, it's imagine our world clean and litter-free. From the ocean to the sky. Join our hands, share the vision we can see. Let's begin by taking pride, Wonderful. Guess what we're gonna do? The chorus again. So we're gonna toss our hands down, and what do we say? Earth! We're in it together, forever and ever, saving our water, land, and air. This is our planet to share. And it repeats again. Earth, we're in it together, forever and ever, saving our water, land, and air. This is our planet to share. And then we're almost through. We bring our hands from share, like this, up to our hearts, and we say, together we can show we care. Good, so let's do that part. Transition from our planet to share to right there. So we're gonna say, Earth, we're in it together, forever and ever, saving our water, land, and air. This is our planet to share. Together we can show we care. And now for the grand finale, we're going to toss our hands down while we kick to the side. This is our earth to share. And then we take a step, we toss our hand up, and we say, we're in it together. And what that means is if we all do our part, we can keep our oceans, our lands, and our skies clean and pollution free. By doing little things, we can make big changes if we all do our little part. So let's do that last part with the kicks again. So we go from together we can show we care to this is our earth to share. We're in it together. So from the top, are we ready? Let's count. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. Earth. Earth. We're in it together, forever and ever. Saving our water, land, and air. This is our planet to share. We need clean air around us all. Land to walk on and waterfalls. But the world is changing day by day. Listen to what we say. One by one we can spread the news of how to stop pollution blues. Together we're reaching out to you to help us save the earth. Earth, we're in it together, forever and ever. Saving our water, land, and air. This is our planet to share. Imagine our world clean and litter free. From the ocean to the sky. Join our hands, share the vision we can see. Let's begin by taking pride, Earth, we're in it together, forever and ever. Saving our water, land, and air. This is our planet to share. Earth, we're in it together, forever and ever. Saving our water, land, and air. This is our planet to share. Together we can show we care. This is our earth to share. We're in it together. Great job, students. I hope you had fun learning that dance. For this week's Seesaw activity, sharing one thing that you value about this planet Earth and the natural world, and a couple of the dance moves that stood out to you. Maybe it's just the chorus of Earth, we're in it together, forever and ever. Whatever part that really stood out to you, okay? And feel free to ask me any questions. As always, keep up the amazing work and enjoy this beautiful sunshine that we've been having here on planet Earth in the Pacific Northwest. It is so beautiful to see spring flowers popping up, and I hope that you're able to soak up some of that beautiful sunshine. Keep up the great work, students. I'll see you next time. Share your thoughts in groovy dance moves on Seesaw.